Hello, good afternoon from our lovely working space in the rooftop of KPP PMA 1 located in Kalibata, Jakarta. Today we are going to have a little chat with our special guest, Ibu Lisa from PT Unicharm Indonesia. PT Unicharm Indonesia is our largest taxpayer in terms of taxes paid in the year 2019 and 2020. Hello Ibu Lisa, good afternoon. How are you today?
Hi Ibu Ros, thank you. I am fine today.
First of all, Ibu Lisa, I would like to thank you for your commitment to comply with our tax regulation as well as your contribution to the tax revenue collected by KPP PMA 1 in particular and also to the government of Indonesia in general. So, Ibu Lisa, what is your impression on services provided by KPP PMA 1?
Okay. First of all, thank you for inviting me in this pleasure area, and I want to say that my impression to the member of KPP PMA 1 is very nice, very friendly, especially in supporting our business Unicharm Indonesia TBK, where sometimes if we have some issue, all of the member of KPP PMA 1 is very welcome and they are very responsive, and also sometimes if I or my team have some issue, they are very pleasure to have some discussion, giving enough time for this discussion. Include Ibu Ros also sometimes very feel free for discussion. So I think very nice impression and supporting from KPP PMA 1.
Thank you very much for your very positive impression. We always try to innovate and give our best effort for our taxpayers, including when we created this working space, as you can see. And you can experience meeting in here for many times, I think. Previously, this working space was an abandoned warehouse. We converted this place into a working space that can be used for meetings and some other activities, which is very useful, especially during this pandemic era. And this rooftop working space also becomes an inspiration for other tax offices in Kalibata and other places to build their own in their buildings. Ibu Lisa, I know that you've been to this space for several times, having meeting with us. What is your impression about this working space?
So actually when I come first time, maybe a few months ago to here, I am a bit surprised because I think that KPP PMA 1 is very thinking and consideration about how to make a meeting more healthy for both parties, for KPP PMA 1 and also for company. Especially during this pandemic, for myself also, if we are meeting or have a discussion in the open area like rooftop workspace, I think it's better instead of we are only meeting inside of the meeting room. And also the weather also, maybe it's better instead of in the room. As everybody know that we need to take care ourselves, we need to consider how to maintain the healthy condition. So I think meeting in the rooftop space is quite very interesting and very good for us.
Ibu Lisa, as you already noticed that KPP PMA 1 has received ZIWBK title in 2019. ZIWBK means KPP PMA 1 is considered as an office that values integrity and free from corruption. This year we are participating in WBBM assessment in order to get WBBM title, meaning that KPP PMA 1 is a clean bureaucracy that provides excellent services. Bu Lisa, what is your opinion regarding our staff's ethics and integrity when it comes to giving services or performing tax audit?
So in my opinion as a taxpayer, I think all the employee in KPP PMA 1 is very high integrated, and also I think that I can feeling that all the employee if try to make zero corruption also. Why I can say this one? Because every time we have tax audit or we have another issue with our tax, all the employees try to do based on tax regulation. They never give another solution, just follow the regulation. So I think if all employees in the tax office can do the everything's based on tax regulation, it's gonna be high integrated and also zero corruption situation.
Thank you very much, Ibu Lisa. So, what do you expect from KPP PMA 1 in the future?
Okay, I hope that KPP PMA 1 can maintain all the service to all taxpayer, not only my company, but to all taxpayer. And also I think KPP PMA 1 need to increase the service. What kind of increase, especially if there is a changing people, like rotation, I think to maintain the good relationship, need to continue with the new member. It's the most important for taxpayer.
Thank you very much. We promise we will always improve our services and maintain our performance on the highest standard. Bu Lisa, thank you for your time. I hope PT Unicharm Indonesia can continue to contribute to the development of our beloved country.